me being all brave and on camera for the first time without makeup. Do not judge what you're about to see, by the way. I have been suffering from acne and have been on a diet for the last 6 years, but haven't been on it actually for the last 6 months, so I'm looking rough. This is the oil-free moisturizer that I use. Then I go in with the pomade for my eyebrows, and then this is the concealer that I use to cover up any discoloration. Homegirl needs to drink more water for sure. And then this is the foundation that I absolutely love. This literally lasts all day. It is so good for oily prone skin and acne prone skin. And again, you rarely, like really don't need to touch it up. This is the best. I set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And then I go in with a little bit of eyeshadow. Do not judge these eyebrows, by the way. I have been growing them out and I just did them super quick. And then this is the blush that I use on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my forehead, so I'm not looking all pálida. Sometimes I do use bronzer, but I don't do too much because of my acne indentation and scarring. These are my favorite mascaras. And then I'm gonna wipe off any makeup that I have on my lips so I can go in with my lip color. And you'll see the details down below, but I did wanna reiterate about the acne diet that I used for the last 6 years. Again, not on it for the last 6 months, so my face does not reflect it, but I will be starting it soon. So if you know anyone who suffers from acne, please let them know they were born to be real and not to be perfect. And to subscribe to my channel because I do want to upload that video about that diet soon, and hopefully it would help people out. It is not a super strict diet. And go ahead and just click the like button if you want to support me. Thank you guys so much for watching.